From the moment they met, it was fate. But fate does not decide strength. Vegeta, the warrior who never stops pushing his limits. Broly, the beast whose power knows no bounds. Their battle shakes the heavens, and every punch screams a story of struggle, pride, and raw determination. Vegeta fights with refined skill, perfected over years of battle. But Broly fights with the fury of the untamed. Every moment, every strike, their Saiyan blood burns hotter. Who is the strongest Saiyan? That answer isn't written in fate. It's forged in battle. And no matter who wins today, both prove what it means to be a true Saiyan warrior. Who do you think is the strongest Saiyan? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic anime moments.